welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I am super excited to try this products right here. Why? Because I love a great sheet mask. Whenever I go to sleep, put it on, it's going to be relaxing, hydration, and smoothing my skin for the next morning. So when I wake up, I don't have to do much. Well, that's what we all think, right? But not really. In order to look beautiful, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of skincare and time. So here we go. This product is out extraordinary and out of this world. It is called the UFO number 2. They do have a mini one, but I just go ahead and purchase this one because I really want to try the best out of the best. It is retail for $279. You can definitely get it on sale sometime around 30 to 50%, depend on what sale they have. But I'm super excited to try this product right here. This product does not come with a mask, so you have to buy an additional mask, and I just went ahead and buy 2 packages of this. I never tried this before, but I mean, if you don't even have this machines here, you can definitely just go ahead and purchase this sheet mask and do whatever it takes, like using the solutions on there and put it on your face, your neck, your body, whatever you want to. I have heard people do that, but I just go ahead and go extra and buy this product right here because apparently it can read my skin using an app. So we are going to download an app today. I'm not sure how this works, so bear with me and let's keep on going. So you know, whenever you wear a normal sheet mask at nighttime, you have to wear from 15 to 30 minutes in order to absorb all this benefit into your skin. Well, this product right here is only going to take you 1 minute and 30 seconds to soak all the nutrients, absorb into your skins. Talk about efficient and innovative. Man, this is definitely do a job. But you know what? It's hella a lot of money. So let's open this baby and check it out. So the products come in this package. It's the UFO products itself, and I have to admit that they do have a good weight into this. I don't know about the sturdiness if you drop it. I'm not going to test it out, but I have to admit that it looked very high quality and really nice. On the side here, it felt like rubbers, and on the top, it felt like metal. So they also come in with the placement holder, so you can definitely place it on your beauty counters or anywhere that you are pleased to put this products in, and you're gonna set it like this. So don't over here trying to set it like this, because I did that earlier and it's gonna fall off. So just be careful, and whenever you are putting it on, make sure that it's nice and placement. You don't want to tip it off. Another product that come in is one of the sheet masks. I did not realize that they come with any sheet mask. That's why I go ahead and buy all this little package. Also, it was on sale, so that's why I definitely going to use it even if I did not have this products right here. And they also come with a USB chargers, because this products right here, you can charge it and then use it right now. You don't definitely have to plug in and use it. I believe that's how it worked, but don't quote me on that because I'm still lost in trying to figure it out. So one thing you definitely have to do before you using the sheet mask in order to get the full potential, you have to make sure your skin is clean. So I'm going to wash my face. I'm just not going to clean off my eyebrows and my lips and also my eyelashes, but everywhere else I'm going to make sure it is squeaky clean. So I'll be right back and we are going to go for the next process. Okay, so before we can use this products right here, in order to make sure this is activate, you have to download the app. And looking at this app, 17 people review and it's only 1.4 star. Oh my god, that's horrible. What is going on? Okay, and you have to create an account. Got it. So the reason why I'm having such a hard time to connect my UFO to the device of this app is because mine is actually the UFO version 1. So the version 1 is cost $199. If you were trying to buy it on sale, it would be a different pricing. But here we go. I'm going to press this right here and I'm going to show you on the screen right this second so you can definitely see. And we do have to press on for 5 seconds. It should automatically connect. So keep holding it until it's automatically connect, so that's nice. And I'm just going to register my UFO just to make sure that if there's something problems happening, I can definitely return it. And I purchased in November 1st. There we go. So once I connect this tool into this app, what I'm going to do is scan this barcode behind this products right here, and I'm just going to start out the day, and I'm just gonna scan it. So what I'm going to do is taking off this ring here. You definitely need to get the mask out of this products right here. And just don't waste the solutions. You can definitely apply the solutions on your neck. That's another place that is very critical if you want to have a great skin, because then your neck will be exposed to the sun, so it can get you more wrinkle right there. And here's a little sheet mask. Don't waste the solutions on there because we're definitely going to use for our neck. So I'm just going to place the sheet mask on top of this device and secure with this ring. There we go. And let's start.
So the first step, using a circle of motions and glide throughout your face and also your neck.
So right now is adding heat into my skin, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Okay, so the red light thermotherapy and T-Sonic. So it's adding some vibrations on top of the heat. It felt really nice. I love the heat. It does not feel too hot or too warm to where it is irritating or burnt my skin. It's a perfect heat. And now this is the green light. This is the green lead T-Sonic. So there's no more warmth to it. It's decreasing the warmth. And it's a little bit cool, but not too much. That's really nice. The vibrations is evenly upon my skins. And now is adding some more vibrations, and it took off the green light as you can see here. And I'm still going to apply that all over my face. Okay, now it's done. So after we finish, this part become really dry. You know how whenever you are wearing a sheet mask, it's still wet, but whatever it did is that it made this sheet absolutely dry right now. And you have to rinse this off because, you know, for hygiene purposes. So I'm going to rinse this off and I'll be right back. Solutions. So there is some precious solutions on here. We definitely want to use all those great nutrients into our neck. So I like to apply it at the back and also right around my chest, this area, because we definitely want for it to be useful and beautiful and anti-wrinkle. Oh yeah. That felt really nice and cool to the touch. It is glide against my skin, so smooth, absolutely amazing. So after we already used the device, we definitely need to use our favorite moisturizer, because sheet mask, the purpose is just for hydrations. If you were getting a different sheet mask, it's going to have a different purposes. But what I'm going to do is adding my moisturizers that I'm using right now. This is called the Moistful Collagens, and it's from I2 House. And The smell, oh my gosh, it smells like a light rose. It's very hydrating to the skin. I actually really like this moisturizers because it is really thin, and whenever you apply your skin, you definitely feel the hydration's working right then and there. So even whenever you use a sheet mask and you think that's all and complete, that's totally wrong. You definitely have to use your favorite moisturizers in order to lock the moisture into your skin to keep your skin from flaking. And if you're wondering why your skin get flaky after the whole day and you are wearing makeup, because your skin do need some hydrations and moisturizer for it to work appropriately, and it will not give out a lot of excess oily if your skin is nice and hydrated. If you see that your skin is extremely oil, because your natural oil have to compensate with your dehydrations, so just go ahead and apply as much as moisturizers every day, hydration, drink a lot of water, and your skin will be perfectly as a baby butt. Yeah. As you can see, my skin right now, it is glowing, very hydrated, and I don't have a lot of excess amount of oily on my T-zones, because once your skin is hydrated, even if you have combination skin or oily skins, it does not really matter. If you over here taking care of your skin as keeping as hydrated as possible and lock the moisture, your skins will thank you later. So I have not wear a sheet mask for a good minute now. I have not wear it for like 2 to 3 weeks. Usually I wear it every day before bed, but I really want to see if this is actually worth the money, because it's really expensive first of all, and will it deliver of what it meant to do. It's a whole experience from the warmth to the vibration, back to the cool sensations, then later back to the vibration again. It is a whole shebang of experience. It's like I got a mini, really short facial, but I know that all the products is absorb into my skin, because when I wear a sheet mask, there's still some of the products that have not absorbed to my skin, so the sheet mask was still wet. I'm pretty sure you know what the feeling is about, but whenever I put the sheet mask and put it into this device, is soak out the life of this sheet mask right here. Is it my proof? Absolutely. Will I purchase this products for my own use? Yes, because I just in love with sheet mask, because I believe in it, and this product is absolutely amazing. If you are a person that does not have a lot of time in your hands and you need to keep going and get going, you need to do it fast, and you want a great skin, this is the products. I mean, it's really do what it say to do. And I hope you found this video helpful, and also comment below on what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.